Okay.
Hello and welcome back to Problem of the Week with Mrs. Pereira. Today, we will continue working on the same problem as last week. That looked like this. We used the parts whole model. Carmen wrote this expression in a notebook. 1 plus 1 plus 1/4 plus 2/4. And I had a PowerPoint for you that we completed on this. If you want to go back and look at it, this would be in last week's YouTube. Today, however, we're going to use that same problem, but we're going to solve it using another method, the number line. Okay, so here's that same problem again. Carmen wrote this expression in a notebook. 1 plus 1 plus 1/4 plus 2/4. Which of these is not equal to Carmen's expression? Well, the other day when we did the parts whole model, we found out that this expression actually equals 2 3/4. Okay, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to demonstrate what a number line should look like for each of the expressions listed. Okay, so A said 3/4 plus 2. So I jump 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 to 3/4, and then I jump 2. I end at 2 3/4. That would be equal to Carmen's expression, 2 3/4. Over here for B, I'm going to make a jump of 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 to get to 3/4. Then I'm going to jump 2. I'm at 2 3/4, and then another 1/4 jump. I end at 3. Well, already we know that that is not equal to the same as Carmen's expression. However, we do need to go on and look at C and D to see if one of those is also not equal. Okay, let's look at C. We start at 0, we jump 1, we jump another 1 to 2, then we jump 2/4, and then we jump 1/4. And where do we end? We end at 2 3/4 again. So we know that that is also equal to Carmen's expression. And then finally we get to D. We add 1, we add another 1, we're at 2, 2 1/4, 2 2/4, 2 3/4. Also 2 3/4. So when we look at these three number lines, we call these stacked number lines. The reason they're called that is because they're lined up starting at 0, and it makes it a lot easier to compare them. We can see very easily that B is our answer. It is not equal to 2 3/4 as A, C, and D are. B is actually equal to 3. So our answer to this problem is B. 3/4 plus 2 plus 1/4 equals 3. That is not equal to the same as Carmen's expression. Next time we meet, we'll be solving this problem again, but we'll be connecting it to what we already know something a lot about, which is money. In the meantime, stay safe, know that we all miss you, and until next time.